Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Microsoft Word is not responding in Windows 10 11 problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Search CMD on desktop search bar, right click and run as administrator. Type sfc/scannow. Now leave it. And right click on Windows icon, click on settings. Click on apps, select installed apps. Select Microsoft Office, click on three dots, click on advanced and click on reset. Click on repair and now check for command prompt. If it is done, restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.